Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix this PC does not meet the minimum requirements for installing this software here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. So the very first step that you need to do is you need to open your File Explorer. The moment you have opened it, proceed on this PC, select it, do a right click, and then go with Show More Options. Here, you need to go with managed. The moment you click on it, wait until a new window will appear. Okay. So this computer management window will appear. Here, you need to proceed to the left side of it and look for device manager. So I can see it here next to performance. Simply click on it. The moment you've clicked on it, the list of the options will appear. Here, you need to proceed on computer. So the moment you have selected it, go to the upper left side of it where you can see there an option called action. Click on it and go with add legacy hardware and this new window will appear. Here you need to click on next to proceed and it asks you what do you want the wizard to do. Go with install the hardware that I manually select from a list. Just have to click on next, okay? And here you need to select on display adapters and then click on next. So the moment you've clicked on it, you'd be able to see all of this. Okay. Just have to choose what graphic that you have that you want to install with. You can go with Intel Corporation and select the graphic cards that you'd like. Okay. And you can also go with Microsoft. Okay. So just have to select it and then click on next and it asks you to confirm your action to start installing your new hardware. Click on next and wait until the installing software will be done. Okay. Okay, so it says here completing the add hardware wizard. Just have to finish and there you have that you have just successfully added in your display adapters. Okay, so just have to restart your computer. And the moment you have restarted your computer, try to install again the software that you face an error with. And if it's fixed, then good. Okay. So that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated to more videos like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.